Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the wallpaper section. As you can see here, we've got some kind of sections or albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So the live wallpapers, Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and wallpaper and style. Because I do not have any live wallpapers and own photos, I will pick wallpaper and style. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Here we've got also the wallpaper colors. And just a quick disclaimer before we will change the wallpaper, it is quite a cool option because your device can take the colors which are on the wallpaper and apply them to the system options, so that's quite cool. Okay, so let's enter change wallpaper option, and again we've got my photos. You can enter this album or on device wallpapers. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose, and let me pick for example this one. After tapping on it, you will be able to check the preview, so how it will look like on the home screen with your apps which you've got there, or the lock screen, and if you like it, simply tap on this tick icon. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, and the lock screen and home screen is kind of by a default, so let me pick both. Let's wait a second, and as you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been set successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.